The students, let's continue with the bone structure. So now we will take this part, okay, and we'll study the structure of bone. Okay, we are taking this part. पहले ये part cut किया, इसका transverse section देखा. Now we will look this part. Oh, sorry, not this part. Basically, you can see till here. Okay. Okay, so let's make a diagram. Like this. So this is periosteum, outer. Periosteum, and it is endosteum. Inner is endosteum. Next is, here we will see circumferential lamella. और इसके नीचे यहाँ पे स्टेम सेल्स. Stem cells which form osteoblast. Which give rise to, which is osteoblast. Okay. Bone forming cell. Osteoblast is what? Is a bone forming cell, na? So we can say, and same thing, osteoblasts, stem cells are also here. तो बोन की जो ग्रोथ है ये दोनों साइड से हो रही है. सो वी कैन से ग्रोथ ऑफ बोन इज बाई डायरेक्शन. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ग्रोथ ऑफ बोन इज बाई डायरेक्शन, क्योंकि जो स्टेम सेल्स है यहाँ भी पाए जा रहे हैं, यहाँ भी पाए जा रहे हैं. तो बोन की ग्रोथ आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड ऑल्सो एंड फ्रॉम दिस साइड ऑल्सो. देयरफॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ बोन इज बाई डायरेक्शनल. लेट मी राइट. Growth of bone is bidirectional. Now here we will see Havacean. Okay, and it consists of, उसके जो यहाँ पे है, concentric rings, cemented concentric rings are found. There are number of ring, first ring, second ring, third ring, fourth. And here space is also formed. उसको क्या कहेंगे? इंटरस्टिशियल लैमेला. यहाँ जो स्पेस है, इरेगुलर स्पेस, यहाँ भी जो इरेगुलर स्पेस है, it is known as interstitial lamella. First lamella, second lamella. नाउ वी विल टेक वन, एक पार्ट लेते हैं हम लोग, एंड लेट्स सी द डायग्राम इन डिटेल. ओके, एक पार्ट को हम लोग ने, एक ऑस्टियन, एक हार्वेशन सिस्टम वी आर टेकिंग, वन हार्वेशन सिस्टम. सो व्हाट वी विल सी इन हार्वेशन सिस्टम, एक हार्वेशन सिस्टम कहेंगे ऑस्टियन, ऑस्टियन और हार्वेशन सिस्टम. सो here we will see Haversian canal. It is Haversian canal. And it consists of concentric rings cemented together. So concentric rings होते, one ring, two ring, three, and they are cemented with each other. Same thing like here also, concentric rings are found. So this is, we can say, concentric rings lamellae. This is third lamella, first, second, third. Okay, and there is, in between these rings there is a irregular spaces. There is irregular which is known as lacunae, and it is filled with osteocyte. So it is irregular space जो ये दिख रहे हैं, it is known as lacunae. Lacuna, lacunae, singular plural. Okay, and it is filled with osteocyte. ये जो दिख रहा है ये osteocyte. And what is osteocytes? Simply osteoblast. Okay, trap in the matrix that they secrete. Okay, so Haversian canal, this I have explained. Haversian canal क्या होता है? It contains blood vessels and nerve fibers. These are concentric rings known as lamella. They are total 1, 2, 3, 3 lamella. Irregular space, lacunae. Let me write irregular space now. Irregular space, lacunae, which is filled with osteocyte. And how these are connected? With the help of canaliculi. These are connected with the help of canaliculi. Canaliculi. So Haversian canal, concentric rings lamellae, canaliculi, lacunae, osteocyte. Okay, so students, this is all about the structure of bone. Okay, so we have discussed the structure of bone. Anything else remaining? All point we have done. Okay, one more thing, osteon. This one structure is osteon or Haversian system. दिस वन स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑस्टियन कहेंगे और यह हाइब्रेशियन सिस्टम. ओके.